Here we have a set of LED rear lights. These are to fit a Vauxhall Astra H or Mk5 5-door hatchback. These rear lights are packed really well. This is to avoid any damage during transit. The kit includes 2 lights. These lights are part LED, part bulb. The kit comes with some bulbs fitted, so if you need to use any of the bulbs, you can simply remove them from your existing lights and fit them into this new set. They are completely plug and play. Everything is pre-wired, so they plug directly into the loom on your vehicle, so there is no need to alter any wiring. The kit also includes built-in resistors. The overall build quality is really good. These lights have a matte black inner with a clear lens. This rear light set is fully E-marked, road legal and MOT compliant. This is a really simple upgrade you can do at home. Please see the links below in the description if you would like to purchase these. This will direct you to our eBay store or our website.